score. No good. Second throw, ready, jumper. Second throw, no good. Nakuha step long hair, pass to number 12. Maderazo to number 19. Eardrop, 2 points by number 19.
Pumasok ka ng konti niya. Malaglag ka dyan.
Number 8, Mr. Juliano. Juliano. Nagana mo sa pass number 30. Ginto, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Steal. Waxing, wala. Nakuha na number 8, Mr. Juliano. Nilagang champion Ginto. Pass number 23 to Mr. Ginto. 2 points by Mr. Ginto. Roxy, number 30. Rock by number 30. Solid one ball. Last touch for number 19. Number 43 na pass to number 30. Ginto. Mr. Ginto. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Dribbling the ball. Lazy pass, silver number 30. Roxy. 2 points by number 30, Mr. Roxy. Score 20-17, 3-point lead by the RH. Number 43. Number 11, 2 points by number 11. Napakahirap na tira. May pasok ka.
Baby, oh.
Number 13, Roxy. Setting the play. Pass number 19. Titira na nila. Technical. Oh, number 8, Mr. Juliano. Technical.
In the outdoor court.
No jumper po tayo. Technical to throw by number 19. No good.
Maka-4 ka pa.
Simple po tayo. Simple. Simple po tayo.
Hindi ko malikot ah.
Number 12. Maderazo to number 19. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 14. Mr. Roxy. Peter Reyes. Wala rin. Ribang ba number 8. Nagpapadala sa Mr. Juliano. Juliano. Intercept by number 19. Pass to number 1. Mangyo. To number 30, Mr. Roxy. Sige. Number 19, Mr. Longer. Wala. Rebound by number 28. Juliano to number 11. Sige. Mr. Gonzalez to Mr. Ginto. Titira na tres, Mr. Wala. Boss, ito ko ba? Mangyo. Mangyo. Mangyo set in the play pass to number 12, Maderazo. 12 seconds to shoot. Mr. Roxy, pamanat hiras. Time remaining 4 minutes and 20. 30 out. 11 out. 8 out. Sige. Number 1. Out. Number 2 out. Number 54, Mr. Leroy. Ang benda na pinball. Number 21. Number 21. Bahay to number 54. Sandy Sarmason to number 3. 3 seconds violation. Number 13 out. 30 out. Eh, ang microphone to. Bawal mo. Mag-reklamo na ako. Eh, ang microphone. Time remaining 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Number 9, Mr. Longer. Wala. Ako na Mr. Lozano, number 28, number 13, David. to Mr. Sunday Salvacion. Number 43, Soy. Foul on number 7. 12. Sorry. Number 12. First personal. Second team foul. First row. First throw is good. Okay. Second throw. It's good again. Nag-aasara po ang both bench ng mga team. Number 19, Mr. Longhair. Hesitation shot. Nawala na po sa ilang rebound. Intercept by number 23. Number 19, Mr. Longhair, San Jose. Wala na tumatangkal Serrano. 2 points by Mr. Serrano. Score 21-24. 3-point lead by RH. Mr. David, nag-aaral pa masama. 12 seconds to shoot. Mr. Deloy. Rebound by number 5, pass to number 24 and number 12. Aderaso, pass to number 19. San Jose, pass to number 23. 13 seconds shoot. Number 23, press. Wala, sure. Mr. Derek, intercept by number 23. Number 23, pass to number 8. Guillermo, sure. Pass to number 5. Wala. 2-3 for number 19. Number 28 is Del Rosario. Foul on number 19. Number 19, first personal foul on you. Third big foul. 2 shots. First throw, no good. Makapase. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Posible mga ganapan natin to Mr. Sunday Salvacion. Malakas. Posible mga ganapan 43. Wala. Number 54, Mr. Deloy. Wala pa rin. Foul on number 54. Samet. By out. Time out by Arabella. Time remaining 2 minutes. Official score 21-27. A 6-point lead. Back to